Today we talk about how can you record on your Clubhouse app. We go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your Clubhouse app to record on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do, you just go down here, click in this sign down here, and you just click on it. So you keep click on it here, then you click here on use will the app here. So then it's going to show for you like this, and here can you hold, then you click here on continue, then it's going to send with you here like you see on your Clubhouse app. So that's all you have to do to add your voice or record on your Clubhouse. That's all. I wish you I get it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.